What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to search by font size in Microsoft Word. So you can actually search by font size and then replace the font size for everything that is that specific font size. You can do it by a text block, or you can do all of it in the document at once. Sorry if that's a lot of rambling. Let me just show you what I mean here. So go to the Home tab up in the top left-hand corner, look for the little magnifying glass where Find is, and then click the drop down, click Advanced Find. You'll probably see something like this. So click More. I'm going to click that so I can clear what I had. But then click on Format and click on Font. So that's what we're doing. We're looking for the Find tool, and then the Find tool is giving us some options of what it can search for. And instead of looking through the font, look for the size right here. So I'm going to look for font size 8 because I have two spots where I have this font size 8 in this document. I'm going to click OK. Sorry. And I'll do Find Next. So you'll see that's the first spot, and then that's the second spot. So I have these two spots. Let's say I want to change them to font size 9, both of them at the same time. Maybe I have like 5 in this document that I want to change. What you can do is either go one by one. As you can see, this is highlighted up here already, this font size 8. You can change the font size like that and go one by one and then do Find Next. Or you can use the Replace tool. And I'm going to click on the Replace tool here, clear the formatting. But I'm in the Replace tool, right? We click on Format, Font. Let's give it font size 9. Okay. We can do Replace, which does it one at a time, kind of like that. Or you can do Replace All, and it would change all of them into all the document all at once. So now if I look for any font size 8, I won't actually find anything because I've done that Replace All. So they're all now font size 9. And that is how you search by font size in Microsoft Word, guys. You can also, change the words of everything that's a certain font size too in the Replace tool. You don't have to just give it a format. You can give it a text color. You can do a lot of things. You can change it all to test, whatever you want. But yeah, hopefully you found this video helpful. Drop any questions you got in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.